Welcome to Grahame Gardner Limited. We are going to show you how to complete an online order form. Click the link provided by the university. Here you will find measure tips, closing dates and any relevant information from the university. Next to the measure guide is the order form. We ask that you do not add extra to your measurement sizes as comfort tolerance is built in during manufacture. We also ask that you only submit the form once. Let's begin. Enter your contact and university details. Click Next to continue. A handy size guide is at the top of the page. Select your size. Click Next to continue. Tunic section. You have the choice between female fit that has a contoured shape or male fit that has a straight shape. Click Next to continue. With help from the size guide, make your selection and click Next to continue. Trouser section. You have the choice of female fit, which is contoured through the waist and hip, or male fit that is more relaxed. Click Next to continue. Select your size. Click Next to continue. Trouser lengths. The unhemmed version comes with ironing web, so you can hem to the correct length at home. Click Submit to complete the order. We thank you for your order and ask if you think you may have entered any details incorrectly, please email sales@grahamegardner.co.uk. Thank you for watching.